Cooking and meal prep.
What shall we cook for dinner tonight?
I'm not sure. Any ideas, Nancy?
How about a simple pasta dish?
Good choice. What type of sauce?
Let's make a classic marinara sauce.
Sounds delicious. How do we start?
First, heat olive oil in a pan.
Then add minced garlic and onions.
Once they're fragrant, add crushed tomatoes.
And season with salt, pepper, and basil.
Simmer the sauce for about 20 minutes.
Perfect. Now, what about the pasta?
Boil water, add salt, and cook spaghetti.
Should we make a side salad too?
Yes, a simple green salad with vinaigrette.
Great. And for dessert? Any ideas?
How about fresh fruit or gelato?
Gelato sounds perfect. Thanks, Nancy.
You're welcome, Jane. Enjoy your meal.
Let's practice with Nancy. You are Jane. Speak during the pause.
What shall we cook for dinner tonight? How about a simple pasta dish? Let's make a classic marinara sauce. First, heat olive oil in a pan. Once they're fragrant, add crushed tomatoes. Simmer the sauce for about 20 minutes. Boil water, add salt, and cook spaghetti. Yes, a simple green salad with vinaigrette. How about fresh fruit or gelato? You're welcome, Jane. Enjoy your meal.
Let's practice with Jane. You are Nancy. Speak during the pause. I'm not sure. Any ideas, Nancy? Good choice. What type of sauce? Sounds delicious. How do we start? Then add minced garlic and onions. And season with salt, pepper, and basil. Perfect. Now, what about the pasta? Should we make a side salad too? Great. And for dessert? Any ideas? Gelato sounds perfect. Thanks, Nancy.